This is the Titans High School Quiz. Welcome back.
Welcome back to another session of Titans High School Quiz. My name is Balige Afan Wachinyakali, and I'm here with Restoration High School, represented by the President Bible and the Chief Judge. On the other side, we have the Head Prefect and the head girl in that context. Inshallah, it will happen. So we are going on this session of spelling. And I guess our heads are going to represent our interests. Are we ready? Yes, smile for the viewers. Smile for the viewers. Yes. Your parents are watching, so they need to know that you are doing a great job at school. Food, water, and shelter are basic necessities for human survival. Hermitage, spell the word necessity.
Necessity. N-E-C-E-S-S-I-T-Y. Necessity.
The answer is correct. The jury reached a unanimous decision favoring the defendant. Spell the word unanimous. Unanimous. Or unanimous.
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 Unanimous. Unanimous. U-N-A. U-N-A-M-U-M-O-U-S.
Again?
U-N-A-M-O-U-S.
The answer is incorrect. She made a new acquaintance at the conference and enjoyed their insightful conversations. Spell the word acquaintance.
A Q U I T A N. No, sorry. Acquaintance. A Q U I T A N C E.
The answer is incorrect. After even giving you more chances of trying out, the hiker's risky decision put his life in jeopardy during the treacherous climb. Spell the word jeopardy.
J-O P-A N-C-E.
Jeopardy. 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 Spell the word jeopardy.
J-O-R-D-Y.
The word is incorrect. The bakery displayed a wide array of scrumptious pastries and cakes. Spell the word scrumptious.
Pardon, please, the word?
Scrumptious.
Scrumptious. S-C-R-U-P-T-E-O-U-S. Scrumptious.
I repeat, it is S C R U M P T I O S.
The word is incorrect. The documentary on marine life fascinated the audience with its stunning underwater footage. Spell the word fascinate.
F-A-C-I-N-A-T-E.
Again? Again?
F-A-C-I-N-A-T-E.
The answer is incorrect. Advise: when you're answering these questions, discuss with your friend so that you can get the right spelling. Okay? You all need to win. The scent of freshly baked cookies was reminiscent of her grandmother's kitchen. Spell the word reminiscent.
Reminiscent. R E M N I S C E N T. Reminiscent.
The answer is incorrect. You missed a letter. Restoration. The doctor diagnosed the patient with pneumonia, prescribing antibiotics for the treatment. Spell the word pneumonia.
Pneumonia is N
Pneumonia. P-N-E-U-M-I. Pneumonia. P-N-E-U-M-O-N-I-A.
The answer is correct. Clap for them. It's not easy to be here. It's not very easy, by the way. I see some of you are saying, hey, even me, I thought it was wrong. It was N. Entrepreneur. The young entrepreneur founded a successful tech startup that revolutionized the industry. Spell the word entrepreneur.
the word entrepreneur. It is E-N-T-R-E-P-R-E-N-E-U-R.
The answer is correct. Clap for him. Restoration High School took a spontaneous trip to the beach, enjoying the freedom of an unplanned adventure. Spell the word spontaneous.
S-P-O-N-T-E. T-E-N-O-U-S. I beg your pardon? S-P-O-N-T-E-O-N-O-U-S.
The answer is incorrect after even begging the pardon. When you beg the pardon, ask your friend. The answer is incorrect. Hermitage High School is a formidable team. In the championship of Titans High School quiz. Spell the word formidable.
Pardon the word.
Formidable. Formidable.
Formidable. F-O-R-M-I-D-A-B-L-E.
The answer is correct. Despite facing numerous setbacks, Restoration High School remained resilient and continued to pursue their goals in winning the Titans High School quiz. Spell the word resilient.
Resilient. R-E-Z-I. I beg your pardon? R-E-S-I-L-I-A-T-E.
Ladies and gentlemen, the answer is incorrect. Winning the Titans High School quiz is a great accomplishment for any school. Spell the word accomplishment.
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 A-C-C-O-M-P-L-I-S-H-M-E-N-T.
The answer is correct. Restoration High School is known for their integrity and always stayed true for their principles or to their principles. Spell the word integrity.
INTERGY.
Spell that once again. You are over repeating the word, so we need to hear one word.
INTERGRITY.
The answer is wrong. The student's exceptional academic performance and her a scholarship. Spell the word exceptional.
Pardon the word.
Exceptional.
Exceptional. EXCEPTIONAL. Exceptional.
The answer is correct. After a period of decline, the city witnessed a resurgence in its economy. So the word resurgence.
Resurgence is R. Resurgence is L.
Resurgence
Is R E S A J E is R E S A G E N C E.
The answer is incorrect. Hermitage, she tended to procrastinate on her assignments, often leaving them until the last minute. Spell the word procrastinate. Procrastinate.
Procrastinate. PROCRUSTINATE. Procrastinate.
The answer is wrong. You have to be fast, negotiate before we go to another person. The pilot skillfully executed a complex maneuver to avoid a collision. Spell the word maneuver.
MANOVOR.
The answer is incorrect. The detective carefully scrutinized the crime scene for any clues. Spell the word scrutinize.
I beg the pardon for the word.
Scrutinize. The detective carefully scrutinized the crime scene for any clues. Spell the word scrutinize.
Scrutinize. SCRUTINI. Pardon. Scrutinize. SCRUNISE.
The word scrutinize, it is SCRUTINISE.
The answer is incorrect. The powerful speech resonated with the audience, leaving a lasting impact. Spell the word resonate. Resonate.
REASONATE.
The answer is correct. Thank you so much for the wonderful session. And we are still on Titans High School Quiz, where we impact knowledge and restore their ability to think like they used to think before COVID-19. And we are looking forward to having very many schools come and join the Titans High School. My name is Balige Afan, and we are doing a very great job. Thank you so much, the schools that have turned up to come and participate in this high school quiz. When we come back, we have more from this session.
The Titans High School Quiz will be back in a minute.